Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert Superscript in Google Slides. So there is one really simple method that I recommend you to try. So first we need to do is insert a new text. So we need to go to Insert tab, we need to go to Text box, and here we need to create a text which we want to modify. So for example, I type here A2. And for example, if I want to have the number 2 as a superscript, I need to select it. And I need to go to Insert tab, I need to go to Special Characters, and here we need to type on the search field Superscript. After that, you need to select here the number 2 superscript, because the number here must be the same as we have here, yes? So I set here this one superscript, and then we need to close this window, yeah? And how you see Superscript has been successfully implemented here. So in this way you can easily insert Superscript in Google Slides. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.